What if I told you that the legal profession, known for its traditional and conservative nature, is getting a tech makeover? Yes, that's right. Generative AI is transforming the law industry, making lawyers' lives easier and their work more efficient. Imagine AI tools summarizing extensive legal texts, keeping lawyers updated on the latest case law, regulations, and statutes. Isn't that a time saver? And that's not all. Generative AI is also stepping into the realm of contract drafting and review, identifying potential risks and errors, freeing up precious time for lawyers to tackle more complex issues. Picture this: AI sifting through mountains of documents for e-discovery and document review, identifying patterns, and crafting effective legal strategies. Furthermore, generative AI is playing a crucial role in predictive analytics, risk management, and legal compliance, helping businesses navigate the complex maze of legal regulations. And when it comes to litigation support, AI is right there, assisting in identifying relevant case law and drafting legal documents. AI is not just streamlining legal processes, but also shaping how legal professionals work. But don't just take my word for it. Let's delve into some specific examples. Consider the global law firm Dentons. They've harnessed the power of generative AI to draft contracts for mergers and acquisitions. This has significantly streamlined the process, saving valuable time and resources. Then we have LexisNexis, a legal research company that's using generative AI to summarize legal documents in plain English, making the complex world of law more accessible and understandable. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit has taken this a step further and developed a generative AI tool that can predict the outcomes of patent cases, providing a new level of foresight in legal proceedings. And let's not forget Harvey AI, a tool that is used by leading law firms and corporations including PwC and Allen and Amp Overy, as well as government agencies like the U.S. Department of Justice. These examples demonstrate the transformative power of AI in the legal industry. So, what does this all mean for the future of the legal profession? In essence, generative AI is not just a buzzword but a game changer in the legal industry. It's transforming how legal professionals work, whether it's through simplifying legal research and knowledge retrieval, automating contract drafting and review, or enhancing e-discovery and document review. These AI tools are streamlining processes, improving efficiency, and enabling law firms to deliver superior services to their clients. Moreover, predictive analytics and risk management have never been more precise, thanks to AI's ability to analyze extensive legal data and identify trends. This invaluable insight can predict case outcomes and pinpoint potential risks. Also, with AI's help in legal compliance and litigation support, businesses can navigate complex regulations, and lawyers can develop more effective litigation strategies. In conclusion, as we continue to innovate, the legal industry is set to become more efficient, accurate, and client-focused, all thanks to the power of AI.